The Science of Getting Rich. Welcome to Rich Life Channel today. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, real success keeps slipping through your fingers? That was me, not long ago. Just 3 months back, I was financially struggling, mentally overwhelmed, and honestly, I was starting to lose hope. But then I found The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles. And everything changed. This book didn't just teach me how to make money, it reprogrammed the way I think. It showed me that getting rich isn't about luck, privilege, or being born into the right family. It's a right that belongs to you, to me, to anyone who's willing to think and act in a certain way. That single idea flipped a switch in my mind. Fast forward just 90 days. I now run my own business. I've broken free from financial stress. I have clarity like never before, and opportunities are showing up that I once thought were impossible. So if you're stuck, if you're tired of just surviving and ready to start thriving, I want to invite you into this journey with me. Because this isn't just a book, it's a blueprint. And if it changed my life, it can absolutely change yours too. Let's get into it. The Science of Getting Rich, chapter by chapter. The right to be rich. It is not only okay, but it is right to want to be rich. Being rich allows you to fully express yourself and live a complete life. Poverty limits one's ability to grow spiritually, mentally, and physically. There is a science of getting rich. Getting rich is not about luck, environment, or talent, but a precise science. Like arithmetic, there are laws and principles that govern wealth. Is opportunity monopolized? No one is shut out of the opportunity to get rich. Wealth is not a zero-sum game. There's plenty for everyone. You can succeed no matter your background or situation. The first principle in the science of getting rich. The universe is made of a formless substance, infinite intelligence. When you form a clear thought and hold it with faith, it manifests in physical form. Thought is the first step toward wealth. Increasing life. Every desire is for increased life naturally wants to expand. To get rich, your actions and intentions must be in harmony with this universal law of increase. Your success must benefit others. How riches come to you. Wealth comes through natural means, not miracles. The formless substance responds to purposeful thought, bringing opportunities and resources. Be ready to act on these opportunities when they appear. Gratitude. Gratitude aligns you with the source of abundance. A grateful mind expects and attracts more. Daily gratitude practice keeps you connected with infinite supply. Thinking in the certain way. You must think clearly, deliberately, and with certainty. Do not think about poverty or lack. Focus only on wealth and abundance. Your thoughts must be constant and unwavering. How to use the will. Use your will to hold your thoughts on the goal. Don't try to control others. Only control your own mind. Stay focused despite distractions, delays, or setbacks. Further use of the will. Never act or think as if failure is possible. Eliminate doubt and fear by strengthening your faith. Keep visualizing your desire as already achieved. Acting in the certain way. Thought is essential, but action is also necessary. Act now, in your present circumstances, with efficiency and purpose. Every action should be done with the belief that it is leading you to wealth. Efficient action. Doing things efficiently is better than doing many things. Focus on quality over quantity. Each act should be done with energy, purpose, and faith. Getting into the right business. Do not worry about finding the perfect business. Start where you are and move forward in your present environment. What matters is how you think and act, not what you do. The impression of increase. Leave everyone you meet with the impression of increase. Make people feel empowered and uplifted by you. This attracts more opportunity and cooperation. The advancing man. Become known as a person who is progressive, optimistic, and reliable. People are drawn to those who radiate growth and advancement. You become magnetic to success. Some cautions and concluding observations. Stick to the certain way. Think and act with purpose and faith. Don't be discouraged by appearances. Hold the vision. Riches come to those who are disciplined and committed. 1. Thought plus faith plus action equals wealth. 2. The universe is made of formless substance, which responds to thought. 3. You must think and act in the certain way, with clarity, confidence, and gratitude. 4. There is no need to compete. Focus on creating and increasing value. 5. Leave all people with the impression of increase. There is a thinking stuff from which all things are made. By thought, the thing you want is brought to you. By action, you receive it. You must get rid of the thought of competition. You are to create, not to compete. Practical application. Steps. 1. Visualize clearly what you want. 2. Have unwavering faith that it will manifest. 3. Take efficient, focused action each day toward your goal. 4. Practice daily gratitude. 5. Be a source of increase in all interactions. Final message. Getting rich is not about greed, it's about becoming more so you can give more. When you align your thoughts and actions with universal laws, wealth flows to you naturally. On this channel, Rich Life, we believe that wealth is your birthright, not just in money, but in health, happiness, and purpose. So if you're ready to take control of your future, live richly, and think abundantly, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who's ready to rise. This is Rich Life, where wealth begins within.